not next to the beef jerky. Oh, sorry guys, it's me, Max. And today we're going to be playing Annoying Orange Kitchen Carnage. Now, this is basically almost like a sequel to the last game I played, Splatter Up. If you haven't seen that video, I recommend you go check it out.
Hey, you're a robot!
Let's play this one. Kitchen Carnage. So I don't think there's any ads on this one. Play. Alright, endless. I already know how to play the game.
Ready? Set?
I'm pretty good at
Go!
this. My high score was on
Hey, you're an apple. Yay!
first try. See, okay, that. Oh.
Hey, pineapple. Wrong face.
There's also something where you do it like this, you get something called a bank
Whoa!
shot.
Talk about an earache.
It's just hard to get. I'm gonna try to get one
What's
for
wrong,
you
Banana?
guys.
You don't look like you're peeling very well.
That's pretty hard.
Hey, who wants a strawberry daiquiri? Hey, it's Fluffy Face. Yay! I love you, Bank shot.
Oh, there's the bank shot.
Yay!
Alright, already 10,000. Look at my score.
Looky, here comes a rookie. Hey, it's Squash.
What's happening?
Hey, it's a shooting star.
Shooting star, come on. Oh,
Wakey, wakey, Grandpa Lemon. Yay! Hey, soccer ball.
Keep washing everything.
there's also something you get in there, you get a mega bonus. So I'm gonna try to do that today. Every time I get a mega bonus, the speed is gonna change. You can go up to speed number 3 in this game. Oh, I'm sorry.
Passion fruit? More like passion cute. Oh my god, what's going on here? Woo-hoo! Way to concentrate.
So close. Continue.
You like my husky voice?
No, I don't like your weird whatever you said voice. Right. Dang, I missed. The third one does not move, but for speed 1 and 2,
Hey, guess what?
3,
Nine.
2 and 3,
You like my husky voice?
Hey, it's Mini Munchkin Apple. That's Little Apple.
You like my husky voice?
Yay!
Got him. Come on, come on. No, I can't. Also, that the baseball. Oh, cool. The baseball got. Oh, hit it.
You like my husky
Hit it.
voice?
Oh yeah, I got it. Except for the lime. So every time I get a lime or a thing. Oh wait, I didn't get a big bonus, mega bonus, whatever it's called yet. Well, still no, we can't change the speed. Limes don't count. Come on. Dang, this game's hard.
Ew.
Also, I think in Annoying Orange Splatter Up, which is the last game I played, go check that out.
Yay!
I think basically like there was a little teaser for like a little Easter egg for Splatter Up, but maybe I can go check out that game basically after I'm done with this game and after I get the microwave bonus. You know what, let's just not change the speed. We'll only do that for parts, so this is going to be part 1.
Prepare.
Alright. But the recording might stop, which would piss me off. And then I'll call this app, you dumb fucker. So. Let me try speed 3 for you guys. Oh, cool. Oh, I got mega bonus. Now the mega. So let's do 2.
Hey, it's Raspberry.
I'm freaking raspberry.
Oh, sorry, Raspberry.
You like my husky voice?
Don't get that lime, sadly.
Wakey, wakey, Grandpa Lemon! Yay!
Let's keep going.
You like my husky voice?
Also, you notice that 3 did move. Oh, I want another knife or a squash. No.
Passion fruit? More like passion cute. Oh my god, what's going on here?
Right now, I'm just thinking about some yo mama jokes. Yo mama. Yeah, that guy.
You like my husky voice?
Let's see if I can get to speed 3. Speed 3, babe!
Oh, that night beat crazy.
So close.
Hey, it's Mini Munchkin Apple.
Also, not only the blenders get faster, but the balloons do. Dang, this is hard.
Yay!
I think. Also, speed 3, I'm gonna have to keep on here now since I got 2 mega bonuses.
You like my husky voice?
See who?
Uh-oh, it's Chubby McChubby Orange.
Hey guys, remember that episode of when Orange called him Chubby McChubby Orange and like Grapefruit was saying like bad words and stuff? Yeah, how do you bleep that?
You like my husky voice?
No.
Big shot.
Well, it doesn't really matter if I get that because we're already at the maximum speed.
Hey, it's Puppy Face. Yay! I love Big shot. Yay!
Another bank shot! What's going on here? Oh yes, 2 lines. There's one more, and then I'll end the video.
Whoa! That looked like it hurt.
And then I'll find the reference from an orange splatter up. But I had to take an image since I want this video to
Pepper. Yay!
almost to 100,000 points. Get 3? No, I can't get 3. Third mega bonus? Oh, so close.
Wakey, Grandpa Lemon.
You like my husky voice?
Oh, so close to 100,000.
Oh my god.
You like my husky voice?
I just need one more line.
Passion fruit?
This video.
More like passion cute. Oh my god, what's going on here? Yay!
It's really hard to get the third one with it being all the way back there. Please get another mega bonus since I just really keep missing. I'm not lying, guys.
Hey, it's Mini Munchkin Apple. Yay!
Keep doing it. You know, let me just set it back. Oh, so close.
Hey, guess what? Knife.
Don't zip the lip, onion dip.
You like my husky
Big shot.
Dang it. I couldn't get that last line.
Big shot.
Oh, bank shot.
Woohoo! Way to concentrate.
Bank shots.
You like my husky voice?
Let's keep doing this.
Hey, it's Puppy Face.
I love these nuts corns.
You
Continue.
like my husky voice?
No, and I wish you got knifed. Come on, get banana in there. This is really hard.
Pepper.
You like my husky voice?
Dang, so close.
Ew.
Oh,
Jeez, he really blends in.
I think orange is a bit.
You like my husky voice?
How long
Oh my
have we been
God.
recording now? About 11 minutes.
Wakey, Grandpa Lemon.
Hey, where am
I
I?
just hope I can get the microwave bonus soon. What the? Oh, Stitchy got in there. Stitchy's basically the guy from the Annoying Orange Splatter Up, the game I played last time. I capped it. Also, guys, I found out what actually wiped out the dinosaurs, but I can't reveal it.
Woohoo! Way to concentrate.
Top secret. By all scientists. Let's get it.
Woohoo! Way to concentrate.
Yes. Guys, let's play. Alright. Look what happens. We're so close. Well, guys. Alright, guys. I think that wraps it up for this video. Until next time. Later. Peace out, guys.